AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against the US dollar. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video and press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. You can check them out. You can join my free Telegram channel. Check out the brokers and the pro firm if you want. The link which I want to talk about is this monthly membership. So if you want to get maximum benefits, make sure you check out this monthly membership after watching this video. So let's come back to AUDUSD, starting with the weekly time frame. So we had been going up and now we have a red candle pushing down. So you can see we have a rejection here. So sellers coming into the market. So this merely can be a pullback. So coming back to daily, in daily, what do we have? In daily, we have broken the previous highs and the new high is created on the red candle. Okay. So you can see this high broken, this high broken, this high broken, then down. So this can be this is an uptrend, and you can enter after the pullback is over. Okay, coming back to 4 hour again. In 4 hour, we have closed below the EMA, but we did make a new high, and we did not touch down this new low. Okay, so what we say, in 4 hour you have to check, because in 4 hour it can be a pullback and then go down, or it can just simply carry on going up. Okay, as per the daily and weekly, we are in the uptrend, so look for buy opportunities only after the pullbacks each time. If you want sniper entries, when to enter, when to exit, and if you want high quality soon setup, make sure you go and join or check out my membership. For now, subscribe and like and share the video, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care.